What's up everyone and welcome to Sketch Saturday. In today's video, creating a pencil illustration of a puppy. Now I want to begin today's lesson by breaking down the basic shape and composition of our drawing before we get into the details. So let's sketch a line coming down the center of our page. Starting from the very top in the middle, it's going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Now let's go up to the top. We're going to sketch a circle for the head, starting right in the middle. It's going to lightly work our way around. Now the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to get the right size along the top half of our page. Now with that circle in place, we're going to draw one more line going across the middle from left to right. Let's split the left side of our circle in half. So right here, draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the top, we're going to step in, add a curve for the muzzle, going across and then down. On the ends, angle this all the way down towards the bottom of those lines. Let's move out to the side and draw two small circles for the eyes. And I'm just going to line that up on the right side, just on top of these lines. Let's move to the center of the muzzle, draw a small upside down triangle. So we'll start with a straight line across the top, come down and in towards the middle. Now from the tip of the nose, step down. I'm just going to angle this down and then out towards the left and right side. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's drape the ears along the side of the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down toward that center line. Do the same thing on the right. Curve this down and then in towards the bottom. And then from here, it's going to round this out and then pull that up towards the head. Now I'm going to add some shape to the body. Let's start at the bottom of this line. I'm going to draw an oval going all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the right. Let's go back up to the top, add a curve for the collar. And then in the center, we're going to move down and draw a circle for the dog tag. Now leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down the inside of the leg. Do the same thing on the right. And then along the bottom, we'll draw a straight line. Let's go up to the top of the legs. We're going to bend this up and then out toward the left and right side. And then from the top, it's going to angle the legs coming down and then out towards the bottom. Along the bottom of the legs, we're going to draw a half circle for the feet, going up and then down. Now I want to shift the body over towards the left. From the bottom of the feet, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going across. Let's go to the left side of the body, bend this out and then in. Go to the side about halfway, go around and then back in. And then along the bottom, draw a straight line going out. Draw the top of the paw going up and then in. Now I'm just going to add the tail coming out and then down and then taper that back in. Now all the way over on the right side, we're going to draw the tip of the foot going out and back in. Now with the rough sketch in place, we're going to go back and clean this up by erasing some of these guidelines. And once we finish cleaning this up, I use this rough sketch as a guide to help us layer on some more details and refine the shapes. Now I want to start with the eyes. We're start from the inside. We want to change the shape a little bit, so we're just pulling this in towards a point, going up towards the top, and then down along the side. So a little point along the outside, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right, going around and then down. Let's work our way around the bottom of the eye, and then just tuck that in along the inside. And you'll see the edge of the pupils along the outside. Now from here, it's going to work our way around the side of the muzzle. It's going to change the shape, giving it a little bit of a bump along the outside. I'm just going to pull this down towards the bottom and then round out the mouth. Just going to pull this back in towards the middle. Now I want to add some more shape to the nose. We're just going to curve the top, round out the corners, and pull that back in towards the middle. And then right up here, we're just going to add the nostrils along the side with two ovals. I'm just going to add that little trim across the top of the muzzle, going up towards a little point in the center. And then let's add the mouth with a curve. And then we'll round out the chin. Now with the eyes, I'm going to add a little bit of a highlight along the top left side. Add a smaller circle in the center of the pupils. And I just want to lightly brush the fur going around the eyes along the top. I'm just bending these out. Now with the ears, we're just going to pull this in towards the side of the head. Just going to pull this in closer, then down towards the bottom. Round up the ear, and then go up. I'm just going to add a little fold and work our way up towards the top of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just pulling this in a little bit closer towards the face. I can add a little fold on the side. We'll round out the bottom. I'm just going to lightly add that trim going around the face across the top. I'm also going to add a thick trim underneath the eyes. I'm just going to add a little bit more detail and shape to that collar. So we're going to add the top edge. Let's add that ring going around. So we're just going to lightly sketch out an oval and place that tag underneath with a circle. Add a little clip on the side. Now I'm going to work our way around the outside of the body, just adding a little bit of a soft fur texture with these short little lines. And again, we just want to add a little bit more shape to the legs. Just bumping it out around the thighs, and then rounding out the feet. Add a little patch of fur across the center of the body. Come down the middle towards the back. I'm just going to separate the paws with 3 curves on either side. Now we're going to do one final cleanup before we get into some more detail and shading. Now I'm going to switch to my thicker 0.9mm pencil and start adding some more contrast to our contours and also refining the shapes. So we're going to start with the outer edge of the muzzle, just working our way up. And at any stage we can go back and modify the shape if we need to. Just going to soften up the edge with a little bit of fur across the bottom. Just aiming toward that center point. Just add that fur across the chin. I'm just going to darken up the mouth and then fade that down. Now with the nose, we want to darken up the bottom and then fade that up to the top to catch a little bit of highlight, because the light's going to be positioned along the top of our character. So the shadows sit along the bottom edge along the opposite side of the highlights. Soften out that fur trim going up towards the middle. Just blend that out. And we'll work our way around the eyes. Now we're going to darken up that pupil in the center of the eye, going around the highlight. And then we want to create a medium shade going dark along the top, and then we're going to fade that down towards a little bit of a glare along the bottom of the eye. Darken up that fold underneath the eye and then fade that up. And then from here, we're just going to work our way around the ears. A little bit of a soft texture on the outside. A couple folds. Now on the side of the body, we're going to continue to add that soft fur texture. So a little bit darker on the outside and just pulling that in, just working with the flow of the body. And we'll separate each of the paws with a slight curve across the bottom. I'm just going to add a little bit more shape to the paw, just pulling it forward by adding a little bit of a shadow with the texture on top. We're just going to go in and add a light pass of shadows across the body. So again, the light's coming from the top going across, so the shadows sit along the bottom edge with the highlights across the top. Now as we get closer to the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows and detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a puppy. Now today's video is just a sample of the process you'll get inside the Dollar Art Club. For just $1 a month, you get access to all our weekly art camps, courses, and weekly workshops. This is a safe space for you to stay creative and grow your drawing skills and have fun along the way. And quite honestly, it'll be the best dollar you ever spent. I'll put the link down in the description. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.